Who in here?
No, baby, I can't be worried about it. But it never would have happened if she wouldn't have went over there in the first place. That's what his whole point was. She the one that went over there. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but see, she did. You know, for me, if it hadn't have been for her, you know what I mean, like wrapped up in all that, it would be. Okay with it.
Don't get involved in that.
What
That's
happened?
not how that happened.
It's not.
That's not how that happened.
Girl, well, tell me.
I'm trying to